Hello and welcome entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach based right here in vibrant state of Tamil Nadu, India. Today we are diving deep into a subject that has been cornerstone for modern commerce and innovation, mass production. This is not just a topic for manufacturing firms, it's a principle that has ripple effects across all types of businesses from the service industry to technology sectors. We will explore its historic evolution, how technology is revolutionizing, and what it means for the economics of scale. We will also delve into some challenges it faces, like environmental concerns and quality control, as well as the groundbreaking opportunities it presents for businesses like yours. So, if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, small business owner, or even a corporate leader looking to expand your understanding for an industrial and commercial landscape, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started.
1. The evolution of mass production. Mass production has come a long way since Henry Ford introduced the assembly line. The transformation from Fordism to modern factories has been marked by innovations in technology, operations, and management. While Ford's model brought efficiency and scale, today's factories are smarter, more flexible, and capable of producing a wider range of products. The journey of mass production is a testament to human ingenuity and its innate capacity to evolve. 2. Key technologies driving mass production in the 21st century. Technology is the backbone of modern mass production. Innovations like robotics, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, IoT, have dramatically changed how products are manufactured. These technologies not only increase efficiency but also make it possible to maintain higher quality standards. As these technologies become increasingly prevalent, they're reshaping the mass production landscape, offering new ways to maximize productivity. 3. The economics of mass production. One of the most compelling advantages of mass production is its economic efficiency. Economies of scale mean that the cost per unit decreases as more units are produced, making mass production the preferred choice for large-scale manufacturing. However, achieving and maintaining this scale requires careful planning, investment, and ongoing operational efficiency. 4. Mass production vs. customization. In a world where customization is increasingly valued, mass production faces the challenge of adapting to consumer demands for unique, personalized products. Emerging technologies like 3D printing and advanced automation systems offer solutions by allowing mass customization, large-scale production that accommodates individual preferences. 5. Sustainability concerns in mass production. Environmental implications and solutions. Mass production has often been criticized for its environmental impact. The scale that makes mass production economically viable can also lead to significant waste and pollution. However, advancements in sustainable technologies and practices are offering ways to mitigate these environmental impacts. From renewable energy-powered factories to closed-loop recycling systems, the future of mass production could very well be a greener one. 6. Quality control in mass production, best practices and innovations. Quality control is a cornerstone of successful mass production. As manufacturing scales up, so does the potential for errors and defects. It examines the strategies, best practices, and innovations, like real-time monitoring and predictive analytics, that are being employed to maintain and even improve quality in mass production settings. 7. Human resource management in mass production environments. Even in an increasingly automated world, human resources remain crucial in mass production settings. Skilled labor is needed for oversight, quality control, and certain specialized tasks. Human resources are managed in mass production environments, including challenges like labor relations, skill development, and employee well-being. 8. Global trends. How mass production is shaping worldwide commerce. Mass production isn't just a business strategy, it's a global economic force. Its influence transcends borders, impacting global trade, supply chain logistics, and even international relations. As mass production systems become more interconnected and globalized, they present both challenges and opportunities for worldwide commerce. 9. The role of automation and robotics in mass production. Automation and robotics are revolutionizing the realm of mass production. From assembly lines to quality control, these technologies are making processes faster, more efficient, and often safer for human workers. The world of mass production is as challenging as it is exciting. With emerging technologies, globalization, and an increasing focus on sustainability, the landscape is ever-changing. However, these challenges also offer unparalleled opportunities for innovation and growth. Thank you for watching this in-depth exploration of mass production. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Your support helps us create more content like this.